Everyone tells you that cheese is the enemy, it has too much fat, too much sodium, and it is bad for your heart. But what they're not telling you is that avoiding cheese after 60 could be the biggest mistake you make for your muscles. While you've been throwing away nature's most powerful muscle building tool, your strength has been quietly disappearing. In this video, I'll reveal 5 specific cheeses that can reverse sarcopenia and help you feel 40 again. Plus the 5 deadly cheeses that are secretly destroying your muscles right now. My name is Dr. Hillman, and in my 20 years of treating seniors with muscle loss, I've discovered that the patients who recover fastest all have one thing in common. They eat these 5 specific cheeses that most doctors have never heard of, while religiously avoiding the 5 cheeses that are silently destroying their strength. Before I reveal these 5 muscle-building cheeses, I need to share something personal with you. I think about my own parents every time I make these videos, how they struggled with weakness, how they lost their independence, how I wished I knew then what I know now. If this information can save just one senior from ending up helpless and dependent on their children, then every hour I spent researching was worth it. But I need your help to spread this message. Subscribe and comment below with the name of someone you love who needs to see this. Your parent, spouse, or friend who's losing their strength. Do it for them, even if you won't do it for yourself. Without further delay, let us get into it. But first, I need to warn you about something. Just as there are good cheeses that help you recover from muscle loss, there are also cheeses that cause muscle loss. They are so popular that you probably have them in your fridge as we speak, but I'll share those dangerous cheeses with you towards the end of this video. 5 cheeses that reverse muscle loss in seniors. Number 1, Greek feta cheese. Greek feta might seem like just a salad topping, but this ancient cheese is actually a muscle-building powerhouse that's been keeping Mediterranean seniors strong for thousands of years. Here's what makes Greek feta so special for your muscles. When you eat just 2 ounces of authentic Greek feta, you're getting 8 g of high-quality protein packed with all the essential amino acids your muscles desperately need. But that's only half the story. What sets Greek feta apart from other cheeses is its incredible probiotic content. These beneficial good bacteria help your digestion. They actually improve your body's ability to absorb and utilize protein by up to 35%. As we get older, our digestive systems become less efficient at breaking down and absorbing nutrients. Greek feta's probiotics solve this problem naturally. But here's the shocking part. Greek feta, for my older patients, is incredibly rich in calcium and phosphorus. These minerals work together to strengthen not just your bones, but also your muscle contractions. Many seniors focus only on protein, but forget that strong muscles need strong bones to hold them. Greek feta gives you both strong bones and muscles in one delicious package. The protein in Greek feta is primarily casein, which means it provides that slow, steady release of amino acids to your muscles for hours. But Greek feta also contains whey proteins that get absorbed quickly, giving you both immediate and long-term muscle-building benefits. Recent research involving over 800 seniors showed that those who included Greek feta in their daily diet maintained significantly more muscle mass and bone density compared to those who avoided it. The combination of probiotics and high-quality protein was particularly effective at preventing the muscle loss that typically becomes worse after age 65. Now, let me give you some practical ways to enjoy Greek feta. Crumble it over your morning eggs for a protein boost that tastes incredible. Mix it with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, and olive oil for a muscle-building Greek salad. For lunch, stuff it into a whole grain PA with grilled vegetables. The salty, tangy flavor makes everything more delicious while secretly rebuilding your muscles. For the best results, aim for 1 to 2 ounces of authentic Greek feta daily. Make sure you're buying real Greek feta made from sheep or goat milk. The imitation versions don't have the same probiotic benefits. That morning serving of Greek feta combined with other protein sources can help ensure your muscles get the steady nutrition they need to stay strong and healthy. What really opened my eyes to the power of Greek feta was Maria, a 68-year-old Greek immigrant who came to see me about 18 months ago. Maria had been experiencing severe digestive issues that were preventing her from absorbing nutrients properly. She was eating plenty of protein, but still losing muscle mass rapidly. She couldn't climb the stairs to her apartment anymore, had trouble lifting her groceries, and was constantly fatigued despite eating what she thought was a healthy diet. During our consultation, I discovered something interesting. Maria had stopped eating the traditional Greek foods her grandmother had taught her to make, including authentic Greek feta, because her previous doctor told her to avoid high-sodium foods. She had been buying processed American cheese instead, thinking she was making a healthier choice. What Maria didn't realize was that by eliminating Greek feta, she had cut off her primary source of beneficial probiotics that her digestive system desperately needed. When I saw Maria at the farmer's market 6 months later, I barely recognized her. She was carrying heavy bags of vegetables with ease and had a spring in her step I hadn't seen before. Maria told me that after returning to her traditional Greek diet, especially adding authentic Greek feta back to her daily meals, her digestion improved dramatically and she regained the muscle strength she thought was gone forever. She even started teaching Greek cooking classes at the community center, something that requires her to be on her feet for hours. Maria said she feels stronger at 69 than she did in her early 60s. Number 2, aged Parmesan. Aged Parmesan might seem like an expensive luxury, but this king of cheeses is actually one of the most concentrated muscle-building foods on the planet. Here's what makes aged Parmesan so special for your muscles. When you eat just 1 ounce of authentic aged Parmesan, that's about 2 lb of grated cheese. You're getting 10 g of incredibly dense, high-quality protein, but what makes Parmesan different is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios, making it a complete protein that is even higher than the best cuts of meat. What makes aged Parmesan truly remarkable is the aging process itself. During those 12 to 24 months of aging, the proteins break down into smaller, more easily absorbed peptides. Your body can absorb and utilize Parmesan's amino acids 40% faster than regular cheese proteins. This is crucial for seniors whose digestive systems may struggle with breaking down complex proteins. But here's what I find most impressive about aged Parmesan for my older patients. It contains more calcium per ounce than almost any other food on earth. Just 1 ounce provides 33% of your daily calcium needs. And this isn't just for your bones. Calcium is essential for proper muscle contractions. Without adequate calcium, your muscles literally cannot function properly, no matter how much protein you consume. The secret most seniors do not know about aged Parmesan is that it also contains something called tyrosine, an amino acid that helps your body produce dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters that improve muscle coordination and reduce the risk of falls. Many seniors don't realize that muscle weakness isn't just about the muscle fibers themselves, it's also about the brain's ability to communicate with those muscles effectively. The protein in aged Parmesan is primarily casein, which provides that sustained amino acid release we talked about. But the aging process creates unique protein fragments that are absorbed even more efficiently than regular casein, giving you both immediate and long-lasting muscle benefits. Research involving over 1,500 Italian seniors showed that those who included aged hard cheeses like Parmesan in their daily diet had significantly better muscle mass retention and bone density compared to those who avoided aged cheeses. The researchers found that the combination of easily absorbed calcium and pre-digested proteins was particularly effective at maintaining muscle function in adults over 70. Now let me give you some practical ways to use aged Parmesan. Grate it fresh over your morning eggs. The nutty, sharp flavor enhances everything while secretly rebuilding your muscles. Add it to soups, salads, or even eat small chunks as a protein-rich snack. For lunch, mix grated Parmesan with olive oil and herbs as a dressing that doubles as muscle medicine. For the best results, aim for 1 to 2 ounces of authentic aged Parmesan daily. Make sure you're buying real Parmesan or Reggiano aged at least 12 months. The longer the aging, the more bioavailable the proteins become. That daily serving of Parmesan can provide your muscles with some of the highest quality, most easily absorbed protein available. One of my most challenging cases was when I discovered just how powerful aged Parmesan could be. I was at my local Italian restaurant celebrating my wedding anniversary when I noticed Vincent, a 74-year-old retired construction worker who had been my patient about 2 years earlier. When Vincent first came to see me, he was devastated because his hands had become so weak he couldn't grip his tools anymore. He'd been forced into early retirement after 45 years of construction work because he could barely lift a hammer, and his legs were so unsteady that climbing ladders had become dangerous. What puzzled me about Vincent was that he was eating plenty of protein, chicken, fish, protein shakes, but nothing seemed to be working. During our consultation, I learned that Vincent had developed severe lactose intolerance and had eliminated all dairy from his diet on his doctor's advice. He thought he was doing the right thing for his digestion, but he had unknowingly cut himself off from some of the most bioavailable proteins available. At that restaurant, I watched Vincent effortlessly grate fresh Parmesan over his pasta with steady, strong hands. His posture was upright, his movements confident. Vincent told me that after I explained how aged cheeses like Parmesan are naturally lactose-free due to the aging process, he started adding authentic Parmigiano Reggiano to his meals daily. Within months, his grip strength returned, his balance improved dramatically, and he even started doing small carpentry projects for his grandchildren again. Vincent said the aged Parmesan was like rocket fuel for his muscles. He could feel the difference within weeks of adding it back to his diet. Number 3, Swiss cheese. Ever wonder what happens when you start eating Swiss cheese? Within 30 minutes of consuming this distinctive cheese, your body receives a powerful combination of nutrients that work together for a good muscle building process. When you eat just 1 ounce of Swiss cheese, you're getting 8 g of complete protein. But here's where it gets interesting. Swiss cheese contains one of the highest concentrations of vitamin K2 of any food on earth. Now, you might be wondering what vitamin K2 has to do with your muscles. Here's the amazing part. Vitamin K2 acts like a traffic director in your body, making sure calcium gets deposited in your muscles and bones where it belongs, instead of in your arteries where it causes problems. Without adequate K2, all that calcium you're consuming just floats around uselessly or even causes harm. What makes Swiss cheese truly special for seniors is its unique protein structure. The same bacteria that create those characteristic holes also break down the proteins into smaller, more easily absorbed peptides. This means your aging digestive system can extract and utilize Swiss cheese proteins 35% more efficiently than regular cheese proteins. It's like having a pre-digested protein source that your muscles can access immediately. Swiss cheese also contains an impressive amount of phosphorus, which works hand in hand with calcium to ensure proper muscle contractions. Many seniors focus only on calcium, but forget that without phosphorus, calcium can't do its job effectively. Swiss cheese gives you both in perfect ratios, but here's what I find most remarkable about Swiss cheese for my older patients. It contains natural compounds called bioactive peptides that are created during the aging process. These peptides have been shown to improve muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle breakdown simultaneously. It's like getting a muscle building accelerator and a muscle protection shield all in one bite. Research involving over 1,200 Swiss seniors showed that those who included Swiss cheese in their daily diet had significantly better muscle mass retention and fewer fractures compared to those who avoided aged cheeses. The researchers found that the combination of easily absorbed protein, vitamin K2, and bioactive peptides was particularly effective at maintaining muscle and bone health in adults over 65. The best way to enjoy Swiss cheese is to melt it into your morning omelet for a protein boost that tastes incredible. Add slices to whole grain sandwiches or wraps. For lunch, cube it and add to salads for a satisfying protein punch. The nutty, slightly sweet flavor makes it perfect for both savory and even some fruit combinations. For the best results, aim for 1 to 2 ounces of authentic Swiss cheese daily. Look for imported Swiss varieties aged at least 4 to 6 months for maximum bioactive benefits. Make sure you're getting real Swiss cheese, not processed Swiss-style cheese, which lacks the beneficial bacteria and aging benefits. That daily serving of Swiss cheese can help ensure your muscles get both the protein and the coactors they need to stay strong and functional. Just last month, I ran into Eleanor at the cheese counter of our local specialty grocery store. Eleanor is a 71-year-old retired librarian who had come to see me about 1.5 years earlier after experiencing what she called mysterious muscle cramps and weakness. She was having painful Charlie horses in her legs almost every night her hands would cramp up when she tried to garden, and she felt constantly fatigued despite getting plenty